Carol Sangalang is now back with the team playing for this battle for third. And at least now, may makakatulong na sa kanila para sa center spot. Which, yun nga yung nalock nila kanina.
Yeah, but tama. Itong si Sanggalang, no? Si Carolina Sanggalang, she has really been a big help para sa kanila. And although she's not super effective, no, on the offensive side, she's definitely a defensive anchor.
And what an early two-point shot from no pressure there. With Manzanares taking that one. Again, Manzanares looking for Adlawan. However, turned the ball over to the other team. Boost now. Karen Salapong wasn't able to make it this time.
Kita natin no, na iba ang nagiging approach ng boost dito. Si Karen ay kanilang estinart agad. Samantalang ito si Nicole Ann Garcia ay inupo nila. Let's see kung kasama ba to sa kanilang tactics, no? Coming into this ball game.
And also, Cho, I think na kung gustong mag-dominate din ng boost here, they can take advantage of their outside shots with Karen Salapong and also Balasta, right?
Yeah, sila talaga yung nag-init last game and I think it's just proper, no? To really find them on their offensive strategies. And tignan kung it'll work for them until this ball game.
And still no score for the boost team. Karen with the ball, looking for Carol Sangalang. And there's a traveling double was called for Carol there. Possession is now with the light jersey. Manzanares dribbles, gets a foul. Was fouled by Karen.
Ito si Manzanares again. I am surprised na yung standing ng team nila, no, nasa battle for third sila because grabe yung dominance nito ni Manzanares kanina, no? But ayun, hopefully kahit papaano, no, may uwi ng koponan niya ang third place.
And again, with Boost wanting to outscore Manzanares here, they really have to man Manzanares. At ayun na nga, gumawa na naman ng 2 points si Princess Manzanares, making it a 4-point lead for this ball game. A foul was called for Santos.
And actually, itong boost, no, may panlaban sila dito kay Santos because they have Sanggalang. Kasi kanina, no-observe ko itong pressure. They've been really winning inside the paint kasi ito si Santos tumatanggap ng mga drop passes. Of course, dahil attracted ang ang defense rather, kay Manzanares. So ito, let's hope Sanggalang will do her job, no, and stop Santos.
But on the other hand, if Manzanares wouldn't be able to score, I hope that another player also would step up for the no pressure. And again, the first point was achieved for the boost this time by Karen.
Itong no pressure, no, I'm really surprised na nandito sila, no, because again, they have Joyce Adlao and Princess Abigail Manzanares. Mga kanina na-cover natin sila, no, na magagaling talaga yung mga yan. And I can't believe na nandito sila for battle for third. But then again, it's better to win something, no, kaysa umuwi ka ng walang inuuwing award.
We can see there a foul was made by the boost team, making it their third team foul with 7 minutes and 42 seconds for this game. Manzanares miscommunication there with Adlawan. Ball is now with the boost. Karen was looking Was hoping for that shot rather, but wasn't able to make it. Well, good effort still there. Possession is still with them. Karen, another for 2 points. And she gets it this time. 4-3 for our score. No pressure. Makes it to a 2-point lead. Balasta driving, however, wasn't able to make it. Manzanares for a quick shot. No good. Balasta again trying to make that 2-point shot. Was rebounded by her teammate, Sanggalang. Trying to make that 2-point shot for Karen. Was out of bound play. With 6 minutes and 42 seconds left for our game time, we are here again for our battle for third. 5-3 with in favor of No Pressure for our W Movement 3x3 Premier Leg 3 presented by Girls Got Game PH. Boost now with the ball. Karen looking to score, gets a foul.
Very aggressive move there, no, by Karen. Ito si Salopong, she's really capable of being flaming hot from outside. Pero this game, medyo nag-lie low siya, no? That's why I think itong Boost down by 2. But once she finds her rhythm, no? Once she finds the solution to her inconsistencies, yun na yung magiging start ng run para sa Boost.
And she is really a deadly shooter. Nakita naman natin siya sa past games niya. And ayun na nga, nagawa niya ang isang point that would shorten the lead to 1. Great rebound there for No Pressure. However, was called for a foul by the Boost team. Adlawan on the free throw line. Adlawan, who played for PUP women's basketball team, now has 2 points for this ball game. Manzanares again for 2. No good. Well, answered by Jinky Balasta, making it for a tie ball game. However, easily answered again for Rejoice Adlawan, making the lead to 1. Karen answering back for 2-point, however, no good. Manzanares for back. For rebound, Manzanares with the ball. Driving, and a foul was called.
Manzanares, no, the quick first step. Yung defender niya, she had no choice but to foul Manzanares na lang because she was too quick on that first step. Instead of letting her just score.
And we can see here Princess Abigail Manzanares hustle since last game na nga nila. So they really have to give their all, as what we just saw with Garcia contributing and cutting the lead to 1 rather.
We have a steady ball game here, no? We're just near our 5-minute mark. Pero wala pa talagang nakakalayo. Tingnan natin if biglang may magpasabog tulad ng ating mga previous games.
And a very close game here. This Abby Manzanares trying to get that 2-point shot. Wasn't able to make it. Possession goes to the Boost team. Balasta looking for Garcia, and luckily enough, Carolina Sanggalang was there. However, a foul was made. And let's take note that the Boost team is already on their 6th team foul. 1-point lead in favor of No Pressure. With 4 minutes and 27 seconds remaining in our battle for third. Balasta, what a great look there for Balasta to Karen Salapong, making it a tie game this time. Manzanares, and a shot by Manzanares, answering back from that Karen Salapong's shot earlier.
Kita natin, no? Yung composure talaga nito ni Manzanares. She shot that tricky shot, no? Pull-up jumper. Pero she managed to still rattle it inside, answering Salapong's mid-range jumper.
Good thing good thing Carolina Sangalang was there for that easy basket. However, easily answered with no pressure. And now, a drive by Jinky Balasta, however, no good. A rebound again by No Pressure. Didn't make it. Second chance, and finally shoots it. 12-10 for our score in favor of No Pressure. And again, for those who just tuned in, whoever team wins this game will be crowned as our third place. Abby Manzanares, mid-range jumper, and good.
Manzanares, no, very consistent jumper. Hindi talaga nawawala yung shooting touch niya. At No Pressure will need more of those if they want to secure a win.
Princess Manzanares now with 8 points for this game. And really contributing to her team. Always present kung kailan siya kailangan. Stepping up for her team. And the timeout was called. This timeout is brought to you by Blue Refreshing Boost.
Kita natin, no, ating table officials on the camera. And kita rin tayo, no? As we are covering, again, if you're missing it, the battle for third. And we are back to the ball game as Karen Salapong hits the free throws.
Karen, will she make it? The second free throw. 1 out of 2 for Karen. Rebounds her own ball. However, a foul was called there. (13-11) in favor of No Pressure. And this time, Kenna Santos is on the line. Didn't make the first free throw. Zero out of 2 for Kenna Santos. Rebounded again by the light shirts. Adlawan driving to the basket and scores.
It's not counted kasi winave off ng ating official. I think it was because the foul siya beforehand pa. So,
Oh, the foul was called earlier before the shot. So it's 13-11 pa din ang score. And Nikki Garcia cutting the lead to 1. Great hustle by Karen Salapong, trying for that 2-point shot. No pressure. And Princess Manzanares with that 2-point shot, making it to a 3-point lead with 2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining.
Si Manzanares na already has 10 points. So, all 10 points ng pressure, siya yung pumuntos. 5 points lang yung binigyan ng mga kakampi niya. So, si Manzanares, I think, grabe motivation, to win this third place award. Siguro dahil nangihinayang siya na they lost the semifinals.
10 out of 15, Cho. Just look at that. Really contributing to their team just to get this third place.
Still, no, yun nga sinasabi natin kanina na even though you lost the semifinals, iba yung feeling na may uuwi kang award eh. Hindi ka uuwi ng walang dala. So, that's the case for both of these teams.
And actually, props to these teams, whoever wins. They still played a great game, played all throughout this afternoon. So, win or lose, you just go home smiling and just happy that you were able to play basketball.
Exactly, Hannah, no? Nonetheless, they still had this platform to show their skills. Not only their skills, no, but to showcase their skills as Filipina basketballers.
16-13. Still in favor for No Pressure.
Ticket pa rin tayo dito, no? Still manageable. However, itong No Pressure just 5 points away from the W.
And it's the Boost's 9th team foul. Oh, and Abby Manzanares went inside, which gives them another chance. And a good free throw for No Pressure. Still for No Pressure's ball. Adlawan to Manzanares. To Santos inside. Great ball movement. And the miscommunication there by the Boost.
It could have been a great play, no? Pero hindi anticipate ni Garcia yung pasa ni Balasta dun. So, that was a miscommunication right there.
And so, if you're looking to win the third place award with 1 minute and 30 seconds, yung mga ganong bagay dapat nasusolve na nila sa team since naghahabol din sila with 5 points.
Exactly, Hannah, no? They're not in the position to make errors. The margin for error nila, unti na lang because once na magkamali sila, I'm sure itong No Pressure, they will continue to advance and capitalize on those errors committed by Boost.
And our officials clarifying their team fouls. Abby Manzanares on the free throw line, making her first. One out of two for Princess Abigail Manzanares. Karen Salapong. And good to go for that 2-point shot from Karen Salapong, cutting the lead down to 4. Manzanares just took that shot after limited shot clock.
1 minute left na lang tayo dito. 4-point lead for No Pressure. Just a 2-pointer away from the win.
And exactly 1 minute remaining. Who will win our third place for our W Movement 3x3 Premier Leg 3? Karen Salapong. Now shooting 2 points. A rebound there. And 2 points is all they need. Two points actually. Great rebound there by the white shirts. Manzanares again. Another 2-point basket for Abby Manzanares. Making the lead to 6 now for Boost.
And that is a win for No Pressure as they reach 21 points.
Oh, and the third place would go to No Pressure with the final score of 21-15. And our Eurotex Matibay best player of the game would go to no other than Princess Manzanares, showing off 13 points for this battle for third. Very great player here we have. We are here at W Movement 3x3 Premier Leg 3, presented by Stay tuned.